He's at it again. He just pulled Santa back down. Like, I get it. It's the winter boredom. But I did walk him today. So I'm not sure what this is about, but he's trying to destroy my little singing carol gourds. Buddy. Like, it's not a toy. See the cherries? That's his toy. They squeak. He was chewing on them not long ago. Now, for some reason, he thinks this is his new toy. What are you doing? That's not yours. Bad. Bad boy. That's not for you. No. Yeah, you know that word. No. You can wag your tail all you want at me. You're not destroying my little gourd.